Yeah, y'all. I was just a little boy. I did something I'm not proud of anyway. That is Zachary the Chew, and I remember the day I used to throw some ketchup over the fence. It was on the ground, it got rotted anyway. That's Zachary the Chew. Something else I had to throw over the fence long time ago. Back in the 80s, long time ago, was back in the day. I used to throw some mustard over the fence long time ago. Then after that, I threw some mustard over the fence long time ago in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. I was just a little boy. He used to throw a lot of things over the fence long years ago in the past. That's what I used to do. That's what I'm talking about back in the day. That is Zachary the Chew. Was the time that I usually did something that I was not proud of. I did something stupid anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. Same way I threw some honey over the fence long time ago. Over the ground. It turned out bad. Anyway, that is Zachary the Chew. And I remember the day that it happened years ago. He used to throw some relish pickle jar over there. That was back in the day. It had relish in it a long time ago. That was back in the time that I did some bad things a long time ago. In the past, that is Zachary the Chew. But then I did something a lot of things I'm not proud of. Anyway, that is Zachary the Chew. But those are the days I did it like that. I used to throw some ketchup over the fence long time ago in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. And I remember the day. My moment is R. That is Zachary the Chew. A lot of bad things he used to did. A lot of bad things. Did some bad things I'm not proud of anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. And I remember that day anyway. That I remember the time that I either did it all. Did a lot of things. Bad things in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. And I remember them days anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. Now that I did it all things, I did something bad. Things happened. That was years ago in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. He used to throw some ketchup over the fence long time ago in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. Was back in the 80s, long time ago in the past. That is Zachary the Chew. That I remember the days. Those back in the day. That is Zachary the Chew. I remember those times. The ketchup he used to throw over the fence long time ago in the past. It rotted over there. It gotten bad. It's gone bad since it stayed over the ground a long time ago. It was no good anyway. So they have to bury it up long time ago. After that, that is Zachary the Chew. Same with the mustard and the mayonnaise. That is Zachary the Chew. And I remember the time that I used to do a lot of things not proud of anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. That is the thing they used to do something now. I did something stupid. I do something wrong anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. That was back in the day. My moments are. That's what I'm talking about anyway. That is Zachary the Chew. The ketchup I used to throw over there. The mustard I used to throw over there too. The mayonnaise I used to throw over the fence long time ago in the past. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, that's right, y'all. And I'm out of here, y'all.